In this next video, I will show you how to get started doing some dropshipping process from Alibaba into your Shopify store. First of all, let's talk about Alibaba. This one offers a really vast selection of affordable products ideal for dropshipping products, flexible suppliers that of course support order customization, and there's some direct shipping. Now, how can we get started here with the Alibaba into our Shopify store? First of all, let's start with setting up a Shopify store. You have the link down below in the description to get started totally for free and then having a huge deal for the next 3 months. So here, if you're new into Shopify, you have to understand a lot. Actually, it's going to be really easy to import products from Alibaba into Shopify. For doing this process, I needed to import products from Alibaba using an actual supplier. So by this, I needed to add an application inside Shopify. If I focus into the left part, of course, into my dashboard, let's go into apps. And here into apps, I just type the word drop shipping. And I go for search dropshipping in the Shopify App Store. So in the Shopify App Store, there are a vast of applications that we can choose for making dropshipping. Since I wanted to do some dropshipping using Alibaba, I needed to look out for products that have the Alibaba Dropshipping expressed. So for example, there's Deezers, there's Easy Dropshipping, and there's so much more. Personally, I used CJ Dropshipping because the CJ Dropshipping is really fast, and it actually works with Alibaba products in order for making the conversion and the dropshipping process. So what I need to do, of course, is to hit into install. You can choose whatever application you wanted to, but I personally recommend you a lot the CJ Dropshipping. So despite of what application you choose the option that says install. Once you have now clicked into install, it's going to be sending you directly into the application. Inside the application, it should ask you to create an account. And once you have created an account, you need to authorize and confirm that you're going to be using this account in order for making the actual dropshipping process. So you're going to hit now into sign in. And once I have access into my dropshipping or into the account that I choose, I should see into the left part that I do have this element of my CJ. If I click into authorization and go for Shopify, usually I want to just to make sure that my Shopify has not been imported directly into the CJ dropshipping. So let's close this tab. I'm going to close this as well and just stick around with my CJ dropshipping as well with the Shopify. Now inside here into the upper side of the Shopify, you should see that we have this code that ends with C6F. If I go back into CJ dropshipping, I don't have any 6F. So that means that I needed to add my store right away. So let's select one store. I'm going to delete it. And I'm going to do exactly the same process once again. Let's go for add store, authorize. This one should send us back again here into Shopify. I open it once again. The process is exactly the same. Just needed to just want the access. But once you hit into authorized and enter confirm, you should see a green huge banner that says that your store has now been successfully authorized. In this case, here it is. That means that I am now ready to add products from CJ Dropshipping and put them into my Shopify store. So let's find the right product here into the CJ Dropshipping. I'm going to click here into the logo and we start searching for the products into my niche. I'm going to click here into trending products so I can look out for products who are trending right now. You can choose from one product which you'd like to add into the store, for example this one. So this one has an actual video that I think is going to be really great for starting here. So I'm going to go and look out for add to my products. So you can add as much products as you like to. You can add 1, 2, 3, 4. Try to aim for products who are exactly from the same niche. So if you want to add, for example, phones, and then you add watches, and then you add slippers, I believe that they are totally different. So people might be a little bit confused of what you're actually trying to sell or what exactly is your store about. So once you look out for your products, let's go for the left part, go for my products. And once you clicked in them, here it should be appearing the products you wanted to import directly into your Shopify store. As you can see, there is a lot of products that I wanted to add. I just wanted to focus into this first 3. So I select the 3 of them and I go here for the option that says manual listing. Now here into the store, once again, I choose the store, which in this case C6F. Make sure this one is C6F. I go here, and now into my priced, we choose the recommended listing price if you want to or if you don't. Continue, and my products automatically should be sent directly into my Shopify store. So here, as you can see, this is where it actually ships. This is the actual price, and this is how much money I'm going to be spending for it. As you can see, there's no shipping method right now. There's no shipping price here, so just wait till the product says as listing successfully or succeeded. If I go back into Shopify, I'm going to click into the product element. Inside product, you should see that now we do have one product added into my store. So if I hit now into the product, we should see that we have all the information about my product: the title, the description, the media imported, the category, the variant, everything imported right away. And if I click here into more actions, I'm going to save this first, of course, and I'm going to try to hit into more actions and preview my product from the CA Dropshipping, but now this time into my own website. So check out how we are now inside my website, but here we have all the information about this product, and it actually looks really great. Here's the color, here's the size, here's the quantity, the description, and the option of the you may also like, which in this case are more products imported here from the CA Dropshipping directly into my store. Now you can place some samples if you want to, just to make sure this one actually looks great and it doesn't look that bad. You can have the automatic order fulfillment using more application. And lastly, of course, you can communicate shipping times clearly and handle returns smoothly by coordinating with suppliers, ensuring the customers have a really reliable experience. All of this information can be handled back here into the CA Dropshipping. When somebody make a purchase into Shopify, here it should be appearing your orders, and the order automatically will be sent directly here into CA Dropshipping. So when you click here into orders and hit into store orders, here it should be appearing the store orders imported for Shopify. Just in case you don't see it, you can of course go the option to add to orders picking and make sure that the orders are now appearing here. So you can of course fulfill your orders from here and tell your customer what is going to be dispatched, the process, the pending, and the waiving of the payment, and basically that will be actually it. So we can drive traffic to your store with social media ads and optimize your SEO for organic search to reach your ideal audience. Of course, this is for another tutorial, but basically this is how we can actually take products from Deezers, from Alibaba, from CA Dropshipping, and make dropshipping into our Shopify store, all in just one place. So to recap, we have just started to create a Shopify store. We added a CA Dropshipping, we imported our first product, and we checked out the order fulfillment status. So with these steps, you're ready to start dropshipping from Alibaba. Remember to start small, verify quality, and always prioritize customer satisfaction. Really, really important. With that being said, we have now reached the very end of the video, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel if you want to get started totally for free using Shopify and more dropshipping products. Thank you guys, and see you next time.